Hey guys and dolls and everything in between. I'm Joe.
And I'm Rachel.
And welcome to Plastique Chat, where we talk about dolls.
Collectibles.
And for today,
Doll customs. And accessories. So our theme this time was fall, autumn, anything in that general vicinity. And since you opened mine first last time, I'm going to open Joe's first this time.
Fall is my favorite time of the year.
Same. Genuinely, honestly, yes. It's also the same.
I love your apartment because right now it smells like fall and pumpkin and... okay.
I can't
wait for you to open it.
I do that on purpose. Every season has a different candle.
Rachel made a pretty box last video. I have to outdo her somehow.
Which was also a cake box. It was also a cake box.
Well, this was a cupcake box.
Yeah. I'm a sucker for these kind of lids. Yeet. Oh, dude, I love her. She's wearing my sweater.
And she's wearing my jacket.
Oh. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. She's adorable, dude.
Thanks.
I actually love her. I love her hair. Her hair is very soft.
When I think of fall, I think of me being the basic that I am and ordering pumpkin spice lattes every single day.
So cute.
I thought...
I love that she has a little Starbucks cup.
Yeah. I mean, you let me borrow the Starbucks.
But still, it's perfect though.
Yeah, I really wanted to pay homage to being a basic,
the sweater weather.
Yeah, sweater weather, fall fashion. I looked into a lot of Instagrammers and influencers to see what they would wear.
Yeah.
And just came up with a design. I really love corduroy jackets.
Yeah.
So I had to make a corduroy jacket.
Oh, she is so cute. Her face came out great. Oh, you used the eyelashes again.
Yes.
I need to get my hand on some of those. Oh, those are rad.
Literally Daiso. They were $1.50.
I need to go to Daiso. I haven't been to Daiso since San Francisco. I love her hair.
I always have a problem with hair.
Yeah.
But I really love how this hair turned out. But, it's a lesson learned. I used way too much yarn.
I like it, though. I like how fluffy it is, though. I can't not touch it.
Oh, I mean, this was I actually rooted the hair. I just rooted straight up yarn into it and then I brushed it out because I was like, oh, if I just punch the yarn straight into it, it'll thin out enough eventually. It was way poofier. So this was how thin it got eventually.
It turned out great. I'm not even joking. I like the texture.
I would do it again. 100%. I love yarn hair. I am sold. I'm convinced.
Yeah.
That's all I'm going to use now. Oh, and I didn't even talk about what doll I used.
No, you good. We're just distracted by all the beauty.
So I used a Wild Hearts crew picture over here. I don't remember what her name was because I don't remember what any of the Wild Hearts crew's names were.
No one's going to judge you.
Yeah, it was... what was she wearing? She wasn't dressed very well. She had this ugly, ill-fitting
Was it the white
skirt.
hair? The white-haired one?
No, this was a blue-haired one. She had blue hair and a baseball cap.
I love her eyes. They came out great, dude. And her eyebrows look great.
Don't look too closely at the eyebrows because they are definitely second cousins, twice removed.
They're second cousins. Did you sew the jacket and everything?
Yeah, everything I
Jesus.
sewed. I patterned it all.
Oh God, I'm very jealous. You painted them and they got a ring.
Yeah.
Those are great.
And for the clothes, I actually used kids' clothes.
Oh, to cut them up and stuff?
Yeah, I went to the thrift store and I just found what was cheap and what worked. And this was an old pair of boys' corduroy pants. This was a baby's little sweater thing. And it had a fox in the front. And this was just a little girl's jeans. And I just,
I'm so jealous that you can do that.
Kids' clothes is perfect because it's smaller scale.
Yeah, and they're usually stretchy already.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Although, I really hate sewing stretchy. Oh my God, this sweater took me so long because sewing stretchy things is so hard to do, without it looking puckery and wacky. And like, cause it was from a thrift store, like the sweater had no elasticity left, so it would like stretch out and it would stay stretched out, and I was like,
that's the worst. Did you do this by hand or on the machine?
Machine.
Oh, dude, I'm so jelly. I love the buttons. She came out so great.
You can take off the jacket and it's like another look.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Do her pockets work? No, they don't. Are you serious? Okay, I'm gonna make a proposal. If I gave you money, would you do doll clothes for me from every custom from now on? That's crazy.
So here's a second look, a little bit off the shoulder.
Dude, I am very jealous right now. Oh, she looks great.
Thank you. I'm really proud of her.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've ever like actually painted
like eyes and stuff.
And I was freaking terrified.
No, she came out great. I love it.
And I just really wanted like pumpkin spice,
like
color scheme, and I wanted her hair to look like a big pumpkin.
Yeah.
Basically.
It did. It came out great. Dude, this jacket is nuts. From somebody who like has to hand stitch everything, like I don't know, I try to use sewing machines, but they always break before I even touch them. This is nuts. This is crazy.
I mean, the funny thing is that jacket was the easiest thing to sew. Like I sewed that in like 4 hours maybe.
I'm so jealous, dude. I'm not even joking. God, that's awesome. She looks like she came out of like a box. Like you would buy her in a store. Like I'm not like blowing smoke either. I mean that genuinely. She looks great. I love her.
Smell her.
I don't want to.
Do
I have to? Okay. Is there a particular part?
Smell the clothes.
Oh, did you rub her with cinnamon? Did you?
Well, actually, my boyfriend helped me. Adrian extracted pumpkin spice essential oils, and I put it on a doll.
Did you spray it?
Just like he literally created like a little test tube of like extract from pumpkin spice.
Okay.
And then I just like, it was very volatile, so you just put it on the clothes and it just evaporates, and then the smell stays.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, it's mostly cinnamon, but it's supposed to smell.
She smells great.
Pumpkin spice.
That's awesome. You made her scented, dude. That's rad as hell. Like, not even joking. Oh my god, there's so many layers to this doll. Cool.
Okay.
Alright, here's a little basket of corn that goes with her.
Corn. It's a corn sage. First of all, I love this corn.
Yeah, thank you.
This is giving me Shangela, Cornacia,
Cornacia.
corn sage.
I use translucent Sculpey.
Oh.
And then a bunch of washes of my army paints, so they're really saturated and stuff.
I mean, I wanted to make more accessories, but I ran out of time.
Dude, I just sit there, I'm like, what else would you do with this? Be gentle with her, please. I'm so scared right now.
Oh, I'm trying my very hardest.
You're good. She has a lot of hair.
She is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. You have to tell me the story.
So I wanted to do like a harvest themed doll, hence the corn. So she's based on the Corn Mother mythology, primarily from the Cherokee tribes. I researched colors, patterns, everything for weeks before I even started making her. So I looked up the pattern to make like a buckskin dress. I looked up the beading patterns. I looked up what the triangles, what the colors meant for that specific tribe, what the feather meant, everything. And in the custom video for her, I will have a link to everything and everybody who helped me because I wanted to do it right.
You want to do it respectfully?
I want to do it respectfully and right.
I think you would cheat. Oh my god, this looks incredible.
Thank you. I'm very happy with how the dress and the shawl over top came out because
you did all this embroidery.
I did all the embroidery myself.
You're telling me that you can sew. What is this?
I can hand sew. I can't use a machine. I don't know why. I have never learned to use a machine.
Machines are overrated. I mean, for me, if I could hand sew at all, and I would. But,
yeah.
I mean, it takes a long time.
No, you're good. She is a combo of a soccer Barbie that you helped me pick out, and a made-to-move dancer Barbie. So her arms and stuff can move as much as they want. Be very gentle. Okay. The pegs were too different. So they couldn't fit on, so her head is permanently stuck in like this kind of 3/4 position.
Oh,
which I'm fine with because she's gonna be a decorative doll anyway. Yeah. Like no one's gonna play with her. And the hair is actually hair extensions. I used an old method that I used in college on a stop motion puppet. They're glued on top.
I love the face up.
Thank you. I was so worried.
Oh, she has like hazily gold eyes.
Yeah, they're hazel, and then I painted a thin gold with my army paints on top. So they kind of have like an ethereal look to them. Like I said, she's based on the Corn Mother mythology, and this person is also known as like the first woman. I wanted her to kind of have that ethereal. That's why all the purple's up top.
I'm so like speechless right now.
Thank you.
This embroidery. Did you do this embroidery on the?
No, that I found a ribbon that looked like that. I looked up the traditional ways to do like beading.
Yeah.
So I did that to kind of accentuate some of the colors and change them because it was really monochrome. It was like really blue and whatnot. But I liked the pattern as like.
I love the beads.
Yeah.
Where'd you get beads so small?
Micro beads. I found a couple different native retailers that sold them.
Oh, so these are like authentic.
Yeah. In modern times, as close as we could get to authentic.
I mean,
you know what I mean?
You can never
like,
be truly authentic. I love the
I
feathers.
researched all of this to death. Yeah, I did find a pack of miniature feathers at a Joann's.
And the embroidery, guys, it goes all the way around.
Goes all the way around.
All the way
I love
around.
embroidering. It gives my hands a lot to do. I have one project, you can see it over there, that I'm working on for my mom.
Oh.
So it's all planned out and stuff. I just got to do it.
Girl, you tell me you can't sew and you come.
I can't use a sewing machine. That is all I'm saying.
Sewing machines are so.
Look
I
at
gotta
this.
teach you. They're so easy.
You do have to teach me. I'm afraid because, like, sidetrack, real hardcore. Every time I get near one, when people are like, "Oh, I'll teach you. Oh, I'll teach you," I look at it and it already breaks before I can sit down.
I have a $4,000 machine you can practice. And I love how long the hair is. The hair is like.
Hair is a big thing in a lot of different native tribes. Same thing with the braids.
If you're not wearing 22 inches, you're practically bald. Did you make the basket or was that?
No, I found it and then I repainted it because I didn't have time to weave a basket.
I mean, yeah.
This corn is a pride and joy of mine. I also love that we each have like a little accessory that they can have in their hands.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
This is perfect too because Thanksgiving is right around the corner.
Literally.
Just a little PSA. Stay home, guys.
Yep.
We have to be safe. I know we really, really want to see our families and we want to celebrate, but
not this year.
We can't this year.
Nope.
Especially in California, it's getting really bad.
Yeah.
Really bad.
We may go to Zoom, but it's fine.
Yeah.
We'll figure that out.
Just to be clear, we both are safe. We're both negative.
Yeah.
We just got tested.
Yeah. My negative test is negative. I'm so happy with how the frills came out. Not the frills, the little bangles. I dipped this fabric. Fringe, thank you. I dipped it in fray check. Just let it dry.
Oh my god.
I'm not even joking.
What? Wait, is this suede or is
No, it's this same like kind of cottony fabric.
Oh, it's flannel, right?
I think so.
Yeah, that looks
I can
like
show
flannel.
you when I have a bigger stack.
It looks incredible.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, dude. I also blushed her entire body because when I got her, she was literally like almost my skin tone. She was so light. And I was like, no. So I was blushing the body over and over again.
Speaking of blushing, this was my mistake because I sanded her down because I wanted to blush it and I also wanted it to not be shiny. But in the process, I mean, you can't really see it, but her body turned out much lighter.
Yes, now she's perfectly fine and won't fall over because we got an appropriate stand.
We got a stand that
Thank
actually
you.
works.
I'm sorry. Thank you. Listen, when you have hot glue and you just need something to like work, this is what I made, okay?
You're very resourceful.
I tried. I think it's literally just because this is too low. I literally messed up this.
Yeah, I mean, and also the wire's a bit too.
Yep.
It's not long enough. But
Nope.
whatever. It's fine.
But yeah, no, we're good.
Oh, she looks even better.
Yeah, when she can actually stand by herself.
Yeah, she looks so much better holding that corn.
I know. I'm so happy with how the corn came out. But yeah, no, I'm very proud of her. I'm through all the trials, I'm glad that she came out this way.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Can I just say, I am really happy with how we took this theme in completely different directions.
Yeah.
And that's really what I love about doing this with you because we are both so different in our like styles and our ideas. And I mean, that's the same with like any artist. Like you give them a prompt, you'll get a different result. Yeah. Completely different. So this is why I love our channel and this is why I love when we do doll customs.
I still think it's hilarious. Our first one was both aquatic.
Yeah.
Scary. Like, they're wildly different. They're different people, but I love that they were like, we both were like, what if we just made these dolls mermaids? Which I love. Because even then it was still different.
Yeah, like, and you can watch that video here.
Yeah, eyeball. The eye. No, it's the actual letter I. I will 100% agree with you that I love how vastly different they came out. It's like, they just did, and they're great. I'm still so jealous of all your clothes. They're so great. Like, I patterned this and did everything, but this is like the most basic I could do.
You should be so proud. Like, it looks incredible.
Thank
I
you.
would have never guessed that this was your first.
Oh, thank you.
Or like you were struggling. Like,
You don't have to lie on camera. All the people know. It's okay.
It's...
Behind the scenes, we shut the camera off and he just goes, "This is actually garbage." Oh my god, that'd be so funny. But yeah.
I mean, I really love this. It looks incredible.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, no,
You did it.
same thing with
You did it,
yours.
girl.
Like, you're great. I love her hair.
We both did it.
Yeah,
So,
we did.
this was our doll custom video, guys.
Yeah, for November.
Yeah, for November.
For
so,
autumn.
if you don't know, we do doll customs every month.
Yep,
So-
at least one.
Yeah, at least one
Yeah.
every month. But actually, you get two. So you get 2 doll customs
Yeah,
for the price of 1 subscription.
for the down there, and then
Yes.
notifying and whatnot.
So watch out for our December custom next month. Our
Yeah.
theme is
Holiday stop motion.
yes.
Yeah.
So Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
All the old Rankin
Yes.
Bass.
Where is Santa Claus? Right. Where?
Year without a Santa Claus.
Year without a Santa Claus.
Santa Claus is coming to
Santa's
town.
coming to town.
And the one I've never seen, the Drummer Boy.
Oh, I love the little drummer boy.
I've never
So
seen that
cute.
one.
Oh my
I
gosh.
think that's the only one I haven't seen.
It's so cute.
Someday.
It's like a classic. I have to watch it like every year.
I feel that vibe.
But yeah,
Yeah.
guys, stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
Tell us what you think of our dolls.
Yeah.
And tell us what you guys would have done with an autumn theme, or if you've
Yeah.
done an autumn themed doll, please share with us. We want
Yeah.
to see your guys' doll customs. And also, I just want to say we did reach a milestone. 100 subscribers.
Yeah. Literally texted me last night in a frantic. We got it. We did it. And I'm like, oh, okay. It was great.
We want to thank all 100 of you plastics. I'm saying it now. You guys are plastics.
I mean, I'm fine with that. I just love it. I want to thank all of you players. Please. You like us. You really like us.
Please share. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And tell your friends.
Yep.
So we
On to
can,
the next milestone.
Yeah. 1,000 subscribers. Let's see if we can do it, guys.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, and you can help us out by following all of our socials and subscribing and hitting the notification button.
Press thumbs up if you liked
Yeah.
it. Leave a comment.
Yeah. Speaking of all of our social medias, you're going to definitely want to follow us on all of those because we are doing an advent calendar for
Yes.
December. So every day of December on our Instagram, Twitter, all of our other socials, Facebook, we're going to be opening one of these.
Yeah.
For the advent
Monster
calendar.
High. I can't believe I even found this.
Yeah.
But it was so cheap. It was only $20. It's Monster High.
Let's do it in the middle. It's going to be great. I know. I'm so pumped to actually open this. But
Yes. Oh my
So yeah,
God.
don't miss out. Follow
is
us
it?
on all of our socials.
Abby, Claudina.
My favorite,
Wait, not.
Becky
Why would I say
Laura.
Claudina? Claudine.
Claudine.
Claudine. and
Is Frankie on the
Dracula.
back?
Is there a
Oh
Frankie?
no, there's no Frankie. It's just Draculaura.
Oh no, it is. Oh no, it's Frankie. It's Frankie. It's not Abby. It's Frankie.
How, well, I can see where the confusion came from because blue and pink just scream Abby to me.
Yeah.
And it's also winter. Why wouldn't she be here?
Right? There should be Abby.
She's
Where's
the
Abby?
ambassador. Oh, we gotta throw it out now. There's no Abby. Forget what we said. But yeah, no, I'm super pumped. Yeah, so follow
Yeah.
us on those by Mega Blocks.
So with that said,
Keep it plastic.